Have you ever thought, I wish I could catch these manipulated stocks and these manipulators? Well, yes, this can be true. Let's find out how. Hello, I am my friend Abhishek Sood from Brainvibe. Today we'll talk about volume, the enemy of manipulators. Let's talk about it. So, let's understand what volume is. Volume is number of shares of a security traded during a given time period. The stocks with the higher volume are said to be liquid and the stocks with the lower volume are said to be illiquid. Now, volume is also a technical indicator that tells us about the trend. Also, from the volume, we can say that the higher the volume during a price move, the stronger the price move is, and lower the volume during a price move is a weaker price move. Also, do you know that volume is 60% of technical analysis and price action? If you have understood the volume correctly, you have done 60% of your technical studies in the stock market. So, let's come back to our topic, the manipulators and the volumes. Everyone knows that there are manipulators in the market. Exchanges know, regulatory bodies know, and in fact, there is no one that doesn't know that there are manipulators in the market. So, how can we catch them? Well, no one can catch them, but definitely we can see them. How? Volume is our weapon. So let's understand how we can see them. Here are two charts on your screen. Well, in this chart, the price went up for 5 to 10 minutes and then dumped like this. You can see the move. Now, this technique is called pump and dump. In this technique, these big players place buy orders in the market and the price go up like this. And the next moment, they place sell orders in the market and the price goes like this. Now, why this is done? This is done to trigger the stop losses of the retail investors, and this technique is called stop loss eating technique in the terms of manipulators. In the other chart we can see the same, but here the case is dump and pump. So, how to be safe from these manipulated shares? Let's find out. So, how to be safe from these manipulators and manipulated stocks? The simple answer is just avoid these stocks. There are only 10 to 15 stocks in the market that are easily manipulated by these manipulators. You can see these by their past charts and these price moves if there are these price moves. So there is a usual fact in the market. The weaker the fundamentals of the company, more is the fluctuation and easily they are operated by these manipulators. And generally these stocks have unrealistic returns without having good fundamentals. Generally these stocks have high beta. We'll study beta in some other video. This was all about manipulators and volumes. But if we talked about volume and missed the trends, this will go against the law, I guess. So let's talk about trends and volumes. So one basic use of volumes is to identify the tops and bottoms of the market. As volumes tells us about the trends, uptrends, downtrends, and the intensity of the trends. So let's find out how can we identify top or bottom of the shares. So there's a chart on your screen. We can clearly see that the stock is in uptrend and the volumes are larger, which means the uptrend will be strong. So if we move a little ahead, we see the volumes are vanishing. So when stock is in uptrend and the volumes are vanishing, what does it mean? It means that stock is about to make its short-term top. So this is how we can understand where the stocks is about to make its top. Well, why should we discriminate with the bottom two? Let's take that example too. You can see the chart on your screen. We can clearly see the stock is in downtrend and the volume starts vanishing. So as we said earlier, when the volume starts vanishing, the trend is going to be weaker and the trend is about to reverse, and the results are there on your screen. So how difficult was it to identify the tops and bottoms of the stocks? But I know it's not enough to trade. So how to trade this trend reversal? Brainvibe is also working on the whole series of technical analysis for you. There this point will be discussed briefly. This was all about today's video. If you have learned something, do like this video and share this with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Brainvibe and press the bell icon. Also, don't forget, opening Demat account is not a tedious job. We, the team of Brainvibe, is always there for you. The links are there in the description. Also try our financial tracking app. Financial tracking is one of the most important thing in this era. Thank you so much for watching this video.